Hello friends, our today topic is broken chords. We have already covered this topic a lot of times in grade 2, grade 1, grade 3, but let's see how we're doing in grade 4. So you can go through the first example on your own. We just few things we need to take care whenever we're doing a broken chord that we will find out in the questions. So just read this. A broken chord like an arpeggio is made up by breaking up a chord. Sometimes you can find one octave arpeggio within larger broken chord uh, patterns. So it's almost it's confusing, but it's there that like arpeggios are like broken chord. It's just that in broken chords we take only the first, third, and fifth uh, positions of the scale, but in arpeggio we use the eighth one as well. So that is the only difference we have, but just keep it simple. It's like almost same. So let's do the question first. So using quavers, so we have to use the quavers. Write a broken chord: E flat major tonic, triad. Going up, use pattern of three notes each time. Finish E flat above the first E flat. Okay, so we have you can see there's three flat keys given here. So that's make E flat. That's a key signature of E flat. So E flat major, the keys. So if you make the scale over here, so the notes we need for the E chord is, I'll just tell you. So we need E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. So the notes we need is E, G, and B, the first, third, and the fifth degree. So let's start making it. This is our first, that is E. Let's go to the G. We make the B. Let's take a bar line. Then we start with the G, B, and E. Bar line. Then we start with the B, E, and the G. Take a bar line here. Then we make a E, make a G, and we make a B here. Then we make a G, and we make a B here. C, D. So this is A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, let's put the stems on them. So this one will go down. Guys, I'm sorry if the stems are not getting straighter. It's just I have some problem with my pen right now. My main thing is to you understand the concept of it. You can just, when you're doing the work with the pencil, you obviously you will do it more carefully and with the cleanliness. So this is we have done. This is we finished with our first question. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Next one is again we have to use a triplet. Quivers, broken chord using B flat major, going down 3, pattern in 3, and first B flat below the stay. So this is the key signature of B flat major. So let's start from, so the notes we need over here is B, C, D, E, F, G, A, and B. We need B, D, and F. So we have B here. So now remember we're going down. So we, after B we don't need D. We will be going for F. So this is bass clef. So this is F, and this is D. Bar lined. Then we have D. Sorry, we have F, D, and B. Then we have D, we have B, we have F. Then we have B, F, D, then we have F, D, and B. Okay, let's put the stem. We are here. So the triplet. This can go down. Okay, so here we finish like this. I'm again saying sorry for this stem which is not coming correctly. So please just bear with this. Okay, next one. Here we have to find the broken. We have named the broken chord. You can see in the example. And now we have to find the next one. So let's see. So you can see this key signature here. First thing is key signature, that is F sharp and C sharp. That means either it can be our D major or B minor. So how are we going to find that? So if it is a D major, the note should be D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D. This should be D, F, and A. And if it is a B minor, then the note should be B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Now you must be thinking, why do I write till B when I need only the till the fifth degree? It's just that it's a good practice. If you keep doing this practice, it will be better for you. That's why I do this. Okay. So now let's find what are the notes here. This is bass clef. So this is D. Okay, and this is A, right? And this is F. So we can see that these are the note with D major scale. Let's check the other one also. This is again D, and this is A, and this is F. Now if you'll see all these ones, you will find them coming under D major scale. So this is easy to find that this is a D major broken chord. Okay, let's find the next one. So in the next one, you can see there is one sharp, so that means either it can be G major, right, or it could be E minor. Okay, because this is F sharp, so let's check. If it's a G major, the note should be G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It should be G, B, and D. And if it's E minor, then it should be E, F, G, A, B, C, D, and E. It should be E, G, and B. So let's find. This is B, this is G, this is D, this is B. So I think it's coming. You can see these notes are related to G major scale. Let's start the second one as well. So this is G, this is D, this is B, and this is G. So now if you go further, you will find this will come under G major broken chord. Okay, this is the last one. Last one, C. Okay, there is no key signature. They have given only the accidental. So accidental is B flat. So that means it could be either. Now you can see there's only one accidental there. So either it could be F major, okay, or it could be D minor. Now if you're starting with F major, the notes should be F, G, A, B, C, D, and E, and F. It should be F, A, and C. And if it is a D minor, then it should be D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and D. Then it should be D, F, and A. Now let's find out. This is bass clef. This is our B. This is our D. This is the verb F, this is the verb D, this is B flat, and this is F. Now if you check, this is not coming under any of them. F, A, C, F, A, C, no. D, F, A, D, F, A, no, not coming. So what is it? Now I'll tell you. Let's check with the B flat. B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. So B, D, and F. Now you can see B, D, and F are there. So this is our B flat major broken chord. Now, why I did not tell you in the beginning only because I want you to think about it. They have given only one, they have put it only one accidental. They have not put it the other accidental, which is E flat, and that's okay. That is to confuse you over here. Always remember, write down the scale notes first and then check their first, third, and fifth degree. That should be matching with the notes given over here. Okay? If it's not matching, then you try the other chord. Okay? Yep. So I hope you understood this one. And if you have any questions related to this one, please share with me in the comment section. And I'm sorry for the videos being delayed a long time, but now it will be regular. Uh, every week I'll be posting 2 videos for you guys. Okay? So hope to see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.